Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So everybody have been complaining about this Instagram notes not showing up if you press it on. So how are we going to fix that? First thing you have to do, click on your profile below your screen and wait for it to load. So we can see the notes above your profile right there. Click on it, and some may just type something and it won't be able to share, or they won't be able to edit it. That's a lot of problem some people have been complaining about. So, and even if you use your browser, it's still going to be the same. So I just figure out, maybe just try to go to your Play Store, right, and you are going to search for Instagram. Try to update the app, right, because it might be as a result of upgrade. That's why it's having issues, right? So after upgrading that, you can now try to reset your phone as well. You have to reset your phone. Click on reset, and after doing that, it's going to work out. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.